system where we can't actually use aluminium or steel to reproduce the design theme that we want.
And an understanding of the industry requirements and expectations. The facility utilises kits are assembled into the nickel shell tools before being enclosed by a specially developed vacuum system, eliminating the need for ovens or autoclaves. Rapid heating cycles are obtained using PLC electronics, and key in-process data is captured and recorded for each part. Cured panels are subsequently machined to remove flash, add holes, and prepare for bonding of child parts. This operation is undertaken on a high-precision 5-axis CNC machining centre that is fully ATEX compliant for carbon fibre applications. With a multi-position tool carousel and a machining bed that can hold multiple fixtures, changeovers are kept to an absolute materials of choice for a rapidly evolving number of applications.